Let's take a look at this probability problem where we have a die that's being rolled 10 consecutive times. First off, the chance of getting 10 straight sixes. Well, you need a 6 on the first times a sixth on the second. And because this is an AND question, we multiply the probabilities. Also, the rolls are independent, so I can just simply multiply blindly. So I multiply, and I get 1/6 raised to the 10th power, whatever that is. Okay, very good. So that's part A. Part B. What's the chance of not getting 10 sixes? Well, we just found the probability of getting 10 sixes, so the chance of not getting 10 sixes will be 1 minus the answer that we just got. So 1 minus 1/6 raised to the 10th power. Part C. All the rolls showing 5 or less dots. So that means the first roll shows 5 or less, so 5/6. The second roll shows 5 or less, so 5/6. And so on 10 times. So 5/6, 10 straight times. So that is 5/6 to the 10th power. And finally, let's do part D. Getting at least 1/6. Well, the opposite of getting at least 1/6 is getting no sixes. That's one of these little tricks for doing probability problems. At least 1 is the opposite of none. So at least 1/6, that's 1 minus the probability of no sixes. And the chance of no sixes, that's exactly what we did in part C, where there are no sixes. Everything is 5 or less. So 1 minus 5/6 to the 10th power. And for this problem, you'll notice that the answers to part B and C are different. The chance of not getting 10 sixes is not the same as all the rolls show 5 or less dots. If you plug those in your calculator, just can confirm that this number here is very, very close to 1, while this number is not especially close to 1. Now these are different because of where the not appears. So this one means you do not get not all the rolls are sixes. Here for C, none of the rolls are sixes. So that's a little bit different of where the word no appears, and so we get two different answers. This is mostly an illustration of being careful on reading the problem carefully so that you get the correct answer to the right question.